Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Software Computer Academy Hassan. Now let us understand Python program to display following pattern using single looping statement. This is first method. In this example, there are 5 rows are there, and like as that there are 5 columns are there. Then directly move on to Python programming. This is a program will gives the expected result. Let us run this program. We got the expected result. Instead of placing same set of instruction again and again, let us go for looping statement. Example for looping statement is for statement. Let us delete these 4 instructions and return single statement. Before this print statement, let us place this for statement. For statement starts from 1 varied up to 5. Within that for statement, print statement, let us execute this program. You can see here we got the same result. Previous set of instructions reduces to only 2 statements.